guys, welcome to our channel. It's my life Philippines. In this end of video, I will explain about interesting traditional in the Philippines, how they build house. The chicken that we used to build the house, and we bought 10 pieces of chicken. In the culture of the Philippines, we need to offer the blood of chicken, or we throw some coins in the foundation of the house, or cement mixture. Mixture, what I mean. So they will mix it and then they will put in the foundation of the house so that we have a strong and stable house or building here in the Philippines. So maybe after that, we gonna cook the chicken and we gonna offer it also in worker and we gonna eat it.
So it's also not only house like this, personal use, yes. Also in the bridge, yes.
Yes.
Bridge, big houses in the Philippines all the same, yes.
Yes.
Same traditional.
All tradition in Philippines they do that one. So maybe they use coins, they will throw or they put in the cement.
Coins and blood need.
Coins, sometimes coins.
Sometimes coins, sometimes blood, yes.
Blood of the chicken or maybe big animal.
Not only chicken, yes.
Yes. They use that one so that they said it's more strong and more durable to use the building. So thank you for watching. Salamat.